Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix GTA San Andreas Vorbisfile.dll missing error in Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. You just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Select download all option and download it. After getting download done, select show in folder this folder icon. Right click on the zip file and select extract all. Select extract. After getting extract done, you just need to open this folder. Just to copy these both DLL file, just right click on it and just to copy this both DLL file and close it off here. And now you just need to right click on the GTA San Andreas shortcut on the desktop and select open file location. Now you just need to right click on the blank area on right side and select paste it. Select replace the file in the destination. And after pasting these both files, just to close stuff here and open the GTA San Andreas and check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.